Hello everyone, my name is Achri Garg and I am from Hisar, Haryana. Today I am here to tell me my journey about how I became a teacher. See, when I was in college, I never ever thought like I could teach anyone because like in my video you will also sometimes feel like I speak so fast. I speak so fast, my dialect is very fast. So when I was in graduation, and one of my friend asked me like, actually you are very good in mathematics, so let me help in this question. So then I thought like, means I started teaching her, and like you do this and you do this and like that. So but she said, nah, you speak so fast that you can't become a teacher. So and that that thing hit into my mind like really I can't become a teacher. So gradually means I had many of my fellow friends in the college and in university level, that means I peer studies. So I helped them a lot, but every time this dialect came into my mind like you can't become a teacher, you can't become a teacher. And in fact I never wished like I could become a teacher. But the fire inside me like means how the teaching pedagogy should be incorporated in our syllabus, and how a teacher could be like that, means these things, means I also don't know how these things were deep rooted in me since very beginning. Means it's by natural that I become a teacher. I'm doing teaching for the past 15 years, you can say, because in 2005 I was working with DAV College for Girls Yamuna as an assistant professor in computer science, and I was the youngest assistant professor at that time. So I started my journey, means in that year again I completed my MCA, Master's Computer Application, and then I joined college as an assistant professor, and then 2 years I worked with the DAV College. Then I worked with JAT College in Hisar and many other colleges also. But see, when you are got married, so there is a lot of family responsibility also. So then I decided, like my husband decided, like I will never do a full-time job because I have to give time to my family also, my kids also. So what I planned, I did abacus course. so so this is a transformation, like how I did abacus course, means when my elder daughter was 2 years old. So I did that course, I started taking classes, but it was not all of a sudden. Means in like somewhere in 2007 or 8 I completed my abacus course, and then after that for 2 years I didn't get a single student. Yes, I didn't get a single student because I never worked for that in that direction. I completed the course, I completed all my trainings, but at the ground level I didn't approach anyone formally, I didn't introduce myself to the so many schools and the people also, and I don't know about social medias and everything about that at that time. So gradually I started working with my students from my neighborhood, and so going like this, means one day, means I approached, means when my daughter completed 3 to 4 years, I approached some schools in my neighbor community, and I got very positive response from those schools. I got very positive response from those schools, and then it's never looking back. So what was a novelty in my teaching? Like I said, a doctor can read you. Similarly, I started reading the students. For me, every child was an individual, and every child has a capability to learn and do everything that anyone can do in the class. But the main thing is how a teacher is helping in that student. How the teacher is helping that student to get all those things. See, it's not a 30-minute lecture like you are coming and you are delivering the lecture and you go on and the things are done. But the teaching is not like that always. Means you have to got the you have to got a, first of all you have to got a rapport with your students. You have to understand their minds, you need to read their minds, what they want from you. And see, whenever you go to the class, means you have a energy level like this, and if we have as a teacher energy level here, so that only that our students will be like more motivated like us. So this is the main priority for a teacher, that he or she should ever be lively, always have a smiling face with the kids, and always kids should feel like that कि there is anyone who can understand them. The most important thing means I want to share with you, I'm not famous as a Backus teacher. I'm famous as a teacher. Means the parents come to me and they think like this is the teacher. Means this is the teacher that can change my children mindset. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है वहाँ से कि जब लोग मेरे को आके बोलते हैं कि नहीं मैम आप करा दो, आप 1 घंटा दो, आधा घंटा दो, हमें हमें पता है कि बच्चा अगर आपके पास आएगा तो कुछ सीख के जाएगा. एंड दिस इज़ द माई मोस्ट प्रेशियस अर्निंग. So my dear teachers, teaching is the most noble profession. It's a really a mind-changing game basically. So I always take my teaching up to that level. हमेशा अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ में वो प्लान करो कि जहाँ से हम बच्चों को मोटिवेट कर सकें, बच्चों को एंगेज कर सकें. मतलब कोई भी ऐसी टास्क नहीं है कि वेदर यू आर डूइंग टीचिंग, वेदर यू आर डूइंग प्लेइंग और वेदर यू आर डूइंग सम क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी. सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू रीड देयर माइंड बिकॉज एवरी चाइल्ड इज़ डिफरेंट. और मैंने यही फील किया अपनी टीचिंग के अंदर इतने सालों में. और अभी भी राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग विद DPS एज अ रिसोर्स पर्सन एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग विद सो मैनी अदर स्कूल्स ऑल्सो एज एन मास्टर Abacus trainer. And I have my own company with the name of Theta Academics and Reader's Nest, which is a registered one. And I have so many teachers under me, those who are committed to changing the life of the students by teaching Abacus, by teaching Vedic mathematics, or by teaching English programs also. So we are learning with maths and English programs. We are working on phonics, we are working on Abacus. I'm also a proud QMath teacher. I have been working with QMath for the past 2 years, and now yesterday only I have been selected as one of the best teacher in India, and I will be given a chance to come along with Vidya Balan on their screen for the advertising purpose. So I'm very excited for this, and I really thank God for everything I have got in my life. And I really thank Nishu ma'am to contact me as a teacher and to join their Teach Smart community. And really it's so wonderful platform for the teachers, because I have also joined earlier before. The most important thing I want to share with you, like Teach Smart is one of the best platform for the teachers, because first of all they are working selflessly. There is no money is involved, not anywhere. They are working selflessly toward building the nation and toward building the teachers also, to make the better India. And as the new education policy has come, so about what I have been thinking, looking forward, like Nishu ma'am and the team and Tapti ma'am and those teachers who have conveyed their messages very beautifully via the webinars, because I have attended many sessions on the Nearpod and everything. But what is the best quality I found in their seminars, like you are doing seminars means for your full efficiency, and your teachers, those who are delivering the webinars, they are doing it like we are the learners basically. Means they are teaching us each and every loophole over there where we can improve. And really dear teachers, nobody else in their seminar, they are not going to tell you these basics. This is the beauty of the Teach Smart webinars, what I have felt personally. And the second webinar they have conducted with Varuna Mehta ma'am, and she was a wonderful lady, really I should say, wonderful lady, because how beautifully they taught, like, because teaching is a profession. Yes, it's the profession, yes, it's a noble cause also, but when you mix the two things together, so we can come as a brand. So like I am working as a brand in my own city, and really I want to expand, gradually. Similarly, the online, this pandemic has given us really a chance, very beautiful chance to expand our wings globally and internationally also, in the international market. And the Teach Smart has really given its teachers that platform that is being desired for all, and that has been really working for all of us. So thank you Nishu ma'am, thank you all teachers for listening me, and had a great time ahead. Thank you so much.